Africa Content TV.
Please, can we move, please?
It will be nice if everyone can just take their seats.
Can we move, please? Go back. Go back.
They're not even the ones. You get.
Go back. Hello, can we move back?
Thank you very much. Friends of the mother of the bride, thank you. It's time for us to now vacate the stage. Thank you very much. Oh God. Right about now, we are moving to another phase of the party. K-Square security, we need you right in front now.
Please, can we clear the stage now?
Everyone on this stage, please can you do now? Thank you.
Can we clear the stage?
Back to where I'm
We need to continue with the program of the day.
Everybody on the stage.
Off the stage, please.